Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So kung mapapansin nyo, iba yung ating setup for today because 2019 na guys and change is good, change is inevitable, yes, yes, yes. And voiceover din tayo for today's video because yung aking mga kapitbahay is sobrang ingay. So here I am feeling my oats, feeling myself. And kung napansin niyo yung ating title and thumbnail for today's video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial sa Boy Bit. It was actually popularized by Sir John, yung makeup artist ni Beyonce. So basically yung Boy Beat is no makeup look, accentuating your high points pero medyo may gloss. So first step guys, maglagay tayo ng face oil, Noni Glow by Cora Organics. Kung kilala niyo yung model na si Miranda Kerr, siya yung behind this brand and galing to guys sa Beauty by Freya. So yan, i-spread lang natin siya sa ating skin for detoxification and glowing and moisturization. Yes, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-glowing ang ating skin kahit yun pa lang nalagay natin, diba? Next is Sleek Light Proof Foundation in the shade LP09. Ayan guys, minsan ko na tong na-review here on my channel. Check it out. Ilagay ko sa description yung link. And i-dot-dot lang natin siya sa ating skin or face. And don't forget yung inyong neck. And ang gagamitin natin pang blend is ang ating fingers para, seamless and very natural yung finish. Ayan. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, medyo dark yung foundation sa akin. That is because ina-match ko yung foundation ko sa aking body. And yung body ko is a little bit dark than my face. And yun naman yung aking talagang personality. Gusto ko talagang ma-embrace yung aking pagka-moreno. Yes. And just keep on blending guys. And as you can see, nagpipicture pa rin yung ating flaws. And importante yun sa ating look for today. Next is Boying Industrial Strength Concealer from Benefit in the shade number 2. Ayan guys, i-highlight natin yung highest points ng ating face like forehead. And then yung ating under eye. Tapos yung ating chin. Or whatever. So, okay lang naman guys kung medyo darker din yung foundation nyo. Pwede naman natin yan mabalance gamit ang ating concealer or contour. Same thing, i-blend pa rin natin siya gamit ang ating fingers. Blend it to perfection. Yes, yes, yes! And guys, take your time para ma-achieve yung gantong look. Minsan kasi mahirap din no makeup look. Alam nyo yan, 'di ba? Make sure na blended yan guys ng maayos para walang creases. So yun na nga guys, how's your 2019? Let me know in the comment section below. Kasi ako guys, gusto ko pang ma-level up yung pag-video ko syempre para makapag-provide ng highest quality for you guys. Yes, may ganon. And then kukunin naman natin yung What's Up highlighter na cream. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa ating highest points ng cheeks para sa highlight. Siyempre parang guys, base pa lang to ng ating highlight habang hindi pa tayo nag-set ng face. Okay. Same thing sa sa other side ng ating cheeks. Para magkaroon ng natural glow. Yes, Cupid's bow. And then your nose. So next step guys is blush. This is Master Flash Stick from Maybelline. Tapos guys, siya? Cream din. So ilalagay natin siya sa ating cheeks. Actually, hindi ko masyadong nagagamit tong mga products na ito. And I'm so happy na ginamit ko sila sa video na ito. And hindi ako masyadong nakapag cream blush or cream highlighter. Baka gawin ko siya more often sa future videos or sa mga future events. Okay, next, isa-set naman natin yung ating face using this Elana Minerals na translucent powder in clear. Pero bago dyan, ubusin muna natin itong aking tea na iniinom. Yes. Tapos gamit lang tayo ng floppy brush. Tapos, isa-set natin yung kung saan tayo nag-concealer. Ayun. So, yung under eye. Tapos, what's left on the brush, iset nyo na rin sa inyong face. Hindi ko lang napakita sa video na ito. Yes, nagpo-post na naman siya. Okay. Okay, yan. Pak, pak. Sige. Okay, contour naman daw, and ang gagamitin natin guys is yung Hula Light from Benefit. So, kung saan tayo usually nagko-contour, sa ating forehead, sa ating cheekbone, and sa ating jawline for that sun-kissed skin pala. Sun-kissed skin na skin, yes. Very subtle lang na contour guys, or bronzer, nothing too dramatic or extra. Yan, don't forget your jawline and don't forget your double chin, yes. Pati yung nose nyo guys, i-contour din natin yan. And yung lower lip. Next is yung ating brows, and gagamitin ko is yung Precisely My Brow from Benefit again. So, pagdating sa brows guys, itong boy beat, kailangan syempre full yung brows nyo pero dapat bushy. So, light strokes lang guys ang gawin nyo sa inyong brows. Hindi na natin kailangan linisin ng concealer kasi kailangan natin medyo messy yung ating brows and bushy. And then, after nyan, isa-set natin siya using this Bravo Conditioning Brow Serum from Benefit again. Ayan guys, manonurish niya yung ating brows, pero masiset niya din in place, diba? Bongga. So, okay na yung brows natin guys, bushy and thick. So, next sa eyes, gagamitin na natin ulit yung bronzer na Hula Light. So, magkukontour lang tayo ng eyes, guys. Nothing too dramatic again or extra. Very simple lang to guys. And, kaya-kaya nyo itong gawin. Actually, kahit kamayin nyo na, okay na lang yan. Gumamit na ako ng brush kasi gusto kong medyo, maarte. Ganon. Medyo precise yung pagkakalagay or pagkakablend. Yes, oh. Pero kinamay ko pa din, di ba? Ang gulo ko. Next is mascara na Falsies Push Up Angel from Maybelline. Okay, nothing too dramatic again, guys. Basta magkaroon lang ng ng definition yung inyong eyelashes. Sa ating lips, and gagamitin ko yung Anationay Lip and Cheek Tint. Ayan, yung itsura niya, guys. And nagulat ako sa scent na ito, guys, ang bango. Okay, I see you, boo! So, ayan, guys, ilagay lang natin siya sa ating loob-loob na lips. Tapos, ikusot-kusot niyo yung inyong lips para ma-blend. And tap natin siya with Caroline High Shine Lip Gloss for that glowing or glossy lips. Yes. Highlight naman tayo guys, and gagamitin natin yung Mary Luminizer from the Balm para, alam mo yun, para maano ulit natin yung ating highlight kasi nawala na siya over dun sa powder and sa contour. So, ayan. Minubuhay lang natin siya ulit guys. Don't forget yung sa nose, sa forehead, and yung higher point ng cheeks nyo. Cupid's bow. And because I'm extra, maglalagay tayo guys ng faux freckles. Syempre para ma-balance out yung ating boy beat. Kailangan natin ng imperfection sa face. Gamit ko pala guys yung Benefit Ka Brow na travel size in the shade number 3 para magkaroon ng onting shadow sa ating face. So, ayan. Sana nakikita nyo sa camera. Pero sobrang liliit lang ng ginagawa ko, guys. So, yung freckles, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. Kahit anong shape yan, guys. Carry lang yan. Carry boom boom. Basta maglagay kayo ng faux freckles kung saan usually tumatama yung araw. And there you have it, guys. This is my version of the boy beat makeup look. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating, yung setup for today's video and yung ating makeup. Yes, I'm loving my skin here kahit na nakita nyo naman kanina nung umpisa na hindi siya maganda. Pero, ganyan. Aura-aura din minsan. Love it! Bongga! Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Nga pala guys, meron akong ongoing na giveaway. Check it out sa aking previous video na worth 9K na beauty products. So that's it guys. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Mwah, 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 mwah.